Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a logo texture effect with clipping mask. Import your logo in vector or PNG format and place it on a clean neutral background. Bring a metal for fabric texture above the logo. Right click and choose create clipping mask. And also adjust textures placement to highlight key areas. Apply overlay or soft light for blending and add an inner shadow for create realism. Use bevel and emboss for raised effect. Drop a subtle shadow underneath and also add a light reflection using white gradient. Adjust hue, saturation or color balance, duplicate and blur for a glow version. And also add your brand tagline below. Merge layers for a polished preview. Save as